Hey guys, this is James and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro quick tip. Today I'm going to share with you how you can swap clip on your Adobe Premiere Pro timeline very easily. Suppose here is a timeline and there are 4 different clips. I want to swap this clip position from here to here, and again I want to swap the position of this clip from here to here. Usually what do we do? Maybe you place this clip here, then again you can take this clip here. You can then place this clip on that position, right? So that will kill a lot of time when you are working with a big project, right? So there is a better solution to swap the clip on Adobe Premiere Pro timeline. What you can do, you can just click and drag the clip, and while you are dragging, you have to press Ctrl and Alt or Command and Option together. Then you have to release the clip. Then you can see it is actually swapping the position. It will not make any gap, it will just swap the clips. Again, if you click and drag and then if you press Ctrl, then it will change the position, but it will make a gap, right? So if you don't want to do that, then you can press Ctrl and Alt or Command or Option together. Then you can click and drag it here, it will change the position. And now suppose here is a clip, but I don't want to use that clip. I want to replace this clip with this clip, right? So normally what we do, we delete the clip, then we take the clip here, then maybe you will adjust the size, right? But there is a better solution of doing this thing. You can just click and drag the clip directly on the timeline. So you can just click and dragging, and while you are dragging, you have to press Alt or Option on your keyboard, then release it. It will swap the clip, right? So here you can see the previous clip is not available. We have replaced the clip with another clip. So that is the tips for today. I hope you have learned how you can swap the clip on your Adobe Premiere Pro timeline very easily without any issue. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any Premiere Pro related problem. I'll make a separate video on that topic too. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.